Oh my goodness. Why does it look so pink? I'm getting ready to cook some lamb bone, walnut soup, and look at it. This looks like they added food coloring to this. That is not good at all. And I think the brand is this. Wow. I don't, did I buy this from grocery outlet? I'm pretty much disgusted. Look at this. It's not supposed to look that color. I mean, blood does not look like this color. Look at this. That's definitely food coloring. Oh. You can even see it from the packaging. See that? Blood does not look like that color. That looks like some artificial additive color there. See the packaging? Bone and lamb shoulder for stew. Let's take a look at the back. See if there's no ingredient information. Product of Australia. I don't see anything about additive color or ingredients. Typically meats don't put that, I think. But I'm pretty much grossed out by it. So while I'm on the subject about artificial ingredients and crap, when you boil meats, remove all that excess gulp. That's all nasty stuff, you know, fat, artificial stuff. Yeah, what you want to do is just scoop it up, throw it in the trash. See, this is the soup I'm making. Lamb bone, walnut soup with goji berries. Healthy and delicious, of course, minus the artificial color.